Anderson was walking around. She said, I want to go on a flight. I want that one right there. So he took her up, and all she went back to Washington, talked to him. And it wasn't long before they started that flight program for black airmen out at Moulton Field. We got a museum up there now. We have an organization called Friends of the Tuskegee Airmen, and we're dedicated to keeping that legacy alive.
So, Mr. Al, were they looking to integrate the Air Force? Is that how the Tuskegee Airmen came about? How did it even come about?
Well, what happened after Mrs. Roosevelt went back and talked to the president, they got Congress and all of them involved, and they finally decided to put the training facility there at Moulton Field. And they got a big P-51 hanging inside the hangar. It's a nice museum. You got to go up there and see it.
So was it Miss Roosevelt conscious kind of thing? Like, you know,
was it
her conscious? I'm trying to figure out what.
Well, what they would do is they would find young men who graduated from different colleges around the nation who wanted to fly, and they sent them down there to Moulton Field. And Chief Anderson was one of the people that got the program started. Back then, all of the people in charge were white. There weren't any black commanders and stuff. You can buy DVDs and stuff like that that tells the story about all that they had to go through and everything. It's quite an amazing accomplishment. And they said they never lost a bomber, that they were escort pilots. In other words, you get 50 bombers and you send them toward Germany, and you send these fighters up above them to keep the bad guys off them. And that's what the Tuskegee Airmen did over in Italy and over in Germany.
Right, they had to be in the top of that class.
Right, but it is on this.
Now on the, but I came along after they went through all of that, but it was still a lot of that when I went through.
You still a part of that legacy, right?
Even when I got out, 30 years later, you still feel it, you know. That's the way it works.
Big KD 94.1.
No, I got you. I was Ebony, part of the legacy Ebony Fashion Fair. Are you familiar with that?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so I got in on a tail end. It's a 59-year legacy, you know, with black models being able to showcase our beauty. It started in 1959. I came in 2003, 2004, and then to see like some of the 60-year-old models, 70-year-old models, and them telling me their stories, it's kind of, you know, similar to that.
Yeah.
We just had a reunion, and it's funny. She said we're like the Tuskegee Airmen because there aren't going to be any more Ebony Fashion Fair models. There aren't. Or do they still?
My sister went to one in New Orleans some years ago, and she showed me the pictures. And back then I was a lot younger. I said, "Man, I sure would like to be down there in that party."
Oh, it attracted everybody. It attracted all of them. Rick James.
Oh yeah, I mean,
from the older models.
I mean, every beautiful lady in the nation was there, man. They had this fine clothes on, strutting their stuff.
Yeah. Those were the days.